Today we got a new update for Google Classroom where teachers can see a link for their Google Meet app on every Google Classroom they have. Or they can choose which Google Classroom they want the link to appear on and which they don't want the link to appear on. So for this feature to be activated, you have simply to go to the gear over here, the settings. You scroll down and you see Google Meet app icon. You click generate Meet link, and then this button will be purple again, or it will be activated. For any reason you don't want the link to be added at the top of your Google Classroom, you simply deactivate the button over here. So for now, during virtual school, we turn this on, we click save, and here we go. We will now see the link at the top of every Google Classroom. Not on everyone, on the one that you activated the link on. So why did Google do that? There was a problem with students who are still going and using the link. Even if the teacher leaves the meeting, they rejoin and they meet, and some child safety issues happen for many schools. So to limit the ability of students to join Google Meets without the supervision of their teachers, they added this feature to Google Classroom. And the most important thing that teachers should know, the only person who can activate this link is the teacher. So students, if they kept clicking on the link, they cannot join the class or the meeting. And for that reason, I recommend that the last person who will leave the meeting should be the teacher as well. So you wait for everyone to leave to make sure everyone left the meeting, then you close it. After 1 minute exactly, this link will be closed again and deactivated until the teacher will click it for the next day or for the second session. I hope this helped you for now, and be tuned for other updates that will come up. Thank you.